Next video.
Oh my gosh, it's even.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Breakfast VR, and you have Dumble VR here. Yeah.
Yep, and I'm also making videos so you can see my POV.
Yeah. And if you want to see his POV, make sure to subscribe to Dumble VR. He's about to hit 20 subs. He's gonna stay here for a while. He's getting better. You better support him. Like and subscribe, or else I'll put glass in your cinnamon toast crunch. Yes. Well,
and I will.
Yeah, he's gonna put explosives in your garden.
In your fruity pebbles.
Yes. Now let's go.
Is that what you want?
Threaten the viewers. I can only do that. Okay.
Hey, too bad.
Okay. So which one do you want to try?
Let's go to level base.
Okay.
Since it's just running, I'm familiar with run.
Yeah, this is literally just run. Okay, Mom.
You wanna know what we're talking about? Run? Bro, I should give it a chance.
Okay. We're playing FNAF here, alright? Nope!
Run him in this game about.
Yes.
Oh, bet.
I think so.
I don't like this death scene. I just want to respond straight away. I guess we should explore.
Forgot, nope!
Chad, I thought I heard something.
Okay, seems like the doors don't work.
Monsters, I don't like it. It's too hard.
Yo! Okay, then let's get out of this. Okay, next level. Wait.
By the way, if you're wondering, this is my first time playing this.
Yeah, this is not my first time playing this.
Floor. What was that noise? You heard that, right? What is that?
Shoot! What the flip? There's a boiled one here! I'm going up the floors. Back. All right.
What is next? Let's go to Death Town.
All right. Whee!
Whoa, this is way different.
No crap. I hear something.
Debbie! No, I'm sorry, Debbie. No! Help! I'm getting chased!
I'm scared. All right, let's get at it.
I don't see any rain. That's kind of sucks.
Yeah, this is weird. They just changed the monster, made it actually playable.
Fun Monkey, OG Fun Monkey.
Okay, the next video, I have an idea. Fun Monkey Horror 2 versus Fun Monkey Horror. I don't like that! What? Yo, they're going up there. Yo, this is too scary. All right, on a level of 1 to 10, how scary was that?
8 to
Dang.
7.5. Run was like a also 7.5, and skyscraper was like 5.
Okay, let's try marble slab.
Okay, I don't like this, not gonna lie.
What'd you say? Oh my lord! Hello, Smiley Demon. Oh crap. Run.
Get out of here.
Okay, stay on the ground like a good boy.
And then always go, just leave, just dip.
Out of this level.
Yeah, this is a default floor. Even on premium,
Okay, now next we've tried.
Lava Shop's like a 4 out of 10.
Let's try forest.
Also, I'm skipping a facility right now. Yeah, I'm not dealing with that, bro. That's eerie as heck.
Anything. It's an automatic 10 because you can't literally see anything. That was automatic.
I'm not giving that a rating because I didn't really get to experience it.
Slender Tubbies.
Oh, this is not fun. This is not fun. This is not fun. This is not fun.
Let's get up here.
Okay, fine. Well, we haven't experienced. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I'm out of level 2. This is like.
Okay, we've tried
Let's go
everything
to crawl space.
except for crawl space 2. What the flip?
You're all just camping my body. Are you safe in here?
No. Come up here. Where are you? Oh my lord. Where'd you go? Frick.
Here, it's 2. 2, I'm out.
Okay.
Oh, I left.
Okay, so we're gonna
My
retry
favorite
level basic.
probably- My favorite's probably Death Town.
The scariest was Death Town. What if I were to play like big scary music over while we're running? I should do that. Crap.
I'm out. Are we getting keys? I can't tell him out.
Oh, we're good. Nothing's coming. Every time we get chased, we're playing big scary music. Oh.
You're really making me go first? Okay, whatever.
What do you mean? It's literally right behind you. Stop real quick. Die. I'm about to play the Infinity Castle music. Oh, frick! Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you like, I'll give you this donut.
Trust me, it's so worth it.
Anyways,